When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few things make a statement as impactful as a new door. In Palmetto Bay, where picturesque landscapes and vibrant communities are the norm, homeowners understand the importance of maintaining a beautiful and inviting exterior. Replacing your door is not just a practical upgrade, it's a powerful way to elevate the aesthetic and functional appeal of your home. Here's why door replacement is a top-tier investment for homeowners in Palmetto Bay. The first impression factor. Your front door is one of the first features people notice when approaching your home. It sets the tone for the overall aesthetic of your property. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can detract from the beauty of an otherwise well-maintained home. Conversely, a new, stylish door immediately boosts curb appeal, signaling that your home is well cared for. In Palmetto Bay, where tropical beauty meets modern architecture, choosing a door that complements your home's design can create a stunning focal point. Whether it's a sleek, modern door with glass panels or a classic wooden design, the right choice can enhance the visual harmony of your property. A palette for personalization. Replacing your door is an opportunity to personalize your home's exterior. With countless styles, colors, and materials available, you can choose a door that reflects your taste and matches your home's aesthetic. Material options. Opt for durable materials like fiberglass or steel for a modern, energy-efficient look, or choose solid wood for timeless charm. Color choices. Bold colors like deep red or navy blue can make your home stand out, while neutral tones like white or gray offer a sophisticated, understated appeal. Decorative features. Enhance your door with glass inserts, side lights, or intricate paneling for added character. In Palmetto Bay's sunny climate, these customizable options allow you to create a door that shines both figuratively and literally. Increased property value. Curb appeal directly influences your home's market value, and a new door is one of the most cost-effective upgrades to boost it. Prospective buyers often form their first impressions before stepping inside, and a well-chosen, high-quality door can make your property more attractive. In fact, studies show that replacing your front door can yield a significant return on investment, often recouping over 70% of the cost during resale. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, where real estate competition is lively, this upgrade can set your property apart. Enhanced energy efficiency. Door replacement isn't just about looks, it's also a functional improvement that can make your home more energy efficient. Older doors may have gaps, cracks, or outdated materials that allow air to escape, driving up energy costs. Modern replacement doors are designed with advanced insulation technologies to keep your home cool during Palmetto Bay's warm months and retain heat during cooler periods. By reducing your energy consumption, you'll not only save money but also contribute to a more sustainable community. Improved security and durability. Your door is a critical part of your home's security. Replacing an old, weak door with a sturdy modern option significantly enhances your home's safety. Many new doors come with advanced locking mechanisms, impact-resistant materials, and reinforced frames, offering peace of mind for you and your family. In Palmetto Bay, where tropical storms can pose a threat, Opting for hurricane-rated doors is an added advantage. These doors are built to withstand extreme weather, protecting your home while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. A seamless integration with your surroundings. Palmetto Bay is known for its lush greenery and coastal charm. Choosing a replacement door that harmonizes with your surroundings can create a seamless connection between your home and the environment. For instance, incorporating natural wood finishes or glass elements can complement the tropical vibes of the area, blending style with a nod to the local scenery. Conclusion: a door replacement in Palmetto Bay is much more than a home improvement project. It's an opportunity to revitalize your home's exterior and make a lasting impression. From boosting curb appeal and increasing property value to enhancing energy efficiency and security, this investment offers a host of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. With the right choice of materials, style, and color, a new door can transform your home into a standout property in Palmetto Bay. Whether you're looking to sell or simply elevate your living space, replacing your door is a step in the right direction. Don't underestimate the power of a beautiful, functional front door. It's the gateway to a more appealing and valuable home.